Pulling an oracle card as an everyday ritual. I love my oracle decks. I probably have hundreds of them, to be honest. And I love using them for different reasons, different occasions, different times. But pulling a card every day is one of the simplest ways to stay connected with your divine team, with a divine, finding messages, guidance for the day. Just creating that moment where you pull cards. So, this is one of my favorite decks. It's called the Oracle of Light and Dreams. It's very fairy like, magical, whimsical. So that's why I enjoy it. I love the photos in it, the art that comes with it. I think it's absolutely beautiful. It is one of my favorites. So, a couple things to think about with a deck. If you want to clear the energy of the deck, you want to knock on it 3 times. You can sage it. You can play music around it, chimes. You can do all those things to clear. You can put blue kyanite crystal in with your deck so that it keeps it clear and clean. How you shuffle, how you pull cards is a personal thing. Some people I like just moving the cards like this. Some people like to spread it out, mix it up on a table. Some people like to do it like playing cards and really kind of shuffle them like this, right? And do your cards that way. Some people pull cards from the top. Some people will cut the deck and then pull the card. Some people will spread the cards out and then pull a card. Some people, I have someone that puts it to their heart and pulls the card. Whatever that style, that approach is for you, you just want to be consistent in how you pull cards because your divine team is giving you a message. And so you want to make sure that you're clear, you're inviting them in to communicate with you and give you a message for the day. So I like to shuffle this way. I usually pull from somewhere in the deck and pull my card. This one says woodland. So it's a woodland card. It's number 5. Now, the artist creates the deck. They make the art, they write the book, they put the intention in to what the message is. Now, you can read the message in the book, and mine was woodland. And so, my message today, let's see what it says: practice patience, presence, calm, acceptance, watchfulness. Her hooded cloak protects against the morning chill, and camouflaged leaves take on their russet shades as autumn approaches. Although she has affinity with all the woodland creatures, her strongest connection is with her fox familiar. While they share the traits of cleverness and cunning, patience is their main ally as they watch in silence over the forest glade. Practicing patience in our daily lives means remaining calm when faced with frustration or difficulty. Being patient is essential in maintaining healthy relationships, decreasing stress, and coping with difficult situations. Now, it goes on and on. You can read the section, or you can intentionally look at the photo and really think about what comes to your mind intentionally. What do you get inside? What is the feel? What emotions come up for you when you look at the card? What things come into your mind as you look at it and ponder it and being intentional. Now, when I store my cards, I also store them in a little zipper bag. I've made little tags that tell me what deck is what. I have a kyanite crystal in my bag here. I have a silk scarf that I keep my deck wrapped in just to keep a sacred space for my decks. If you've taken any classes at the center in the last year or so, all the decks at the center are in a nice little bag wrapped in a scarf with the book so that you can be intentional. So, How are you going to pull a daily oracle card to get your message? What is your style of clearing? How do you shuffle the cards? And how are you going to pull a message for yourself today? Picking up these rituals can be really helpful in our daily practices for guidance, clarity, and just general information.